Hello students, welcome to Target AES. This will be your third video related to ESC hack series. Okay. See, in the very first module you have seen how to multiply 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 digit in the easiest way possible. I hope you remember it. In the last module, very important, I have shown you how to do square roots, cube roots, fourth roots or fifth roots of very big numbers, right? I hope you remember. So formulas were very easy. You can easily get your answer. But today's module, I am going to teach you squares, cubes, power of any number like power of 5 by 4, 3 by 4, like these things we are going to discuss in this module. This will be very important in ESC point of view. See, I am showing you an example of ESC civil paper asked in 2015. The formula of this question is very simple. It is related to turbines. I know the specific speed is equals to n root p by h to the power of 5 by 4. But solving this without calculator is impossible. Same question was repeated in your ESC mechanical also. Okay. In case of pumps, the h to the power of 3 by 4 will be there. So obviously you should know how to calculate this power 5 by 4 and 3 by 4 so that you will have edge over other students in ESC. Formula sab jante hain, but you should know how to multiply also, right? So after this module, I am 100% sure that you will be able to solve these type of questions. How hard it might be. Definite question, right? Turbines, pumps se definite question aayega. So how hard these type of calculations might be. You will definitely be able to answer these questions without calculator. So let us start with squares. See, squares is a easy topic. If you have a 2-digit number, then no issues. You can just multiply it, right? And you will be getting the answer. For example, 43, just do the multiplication. 3 3s are 9, then cross multiply. 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. And finally, last column, 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. See, if you don't know how I calculated this, please go and watch module 1. I have told you shortcut how to multiply the number. You will be getting very quickly. So answer is 1849. Well and good. This is my square. But if I have a 3-digit number, let us say 11.5 square, 11.5 ka square, then we have a problem here, right? Because if I want to multiply, there are almost 6 steps in this. Okay. If I had other number, chukega nahi, we have to use that multiplication 3 into 3 digit. But if I have a square, I can solve this in no time. Within 2 steps, I can get the answer. See, for example, I have 1, 1, 2 square. First, I will do one thing. I will solve it in the real time. And after that, I will explain you what I have done. Okay. So whenever I see some number like 112, I have to find the square. What I do is I write it as 100 into 124 plus 12 square. So 100 into 124, easy calculation, that is just 2 zeros here plus 144. So 12544 is your answer. Open your calculator and cross check. So let us cross check. 1 1 2 square 12544. Agreed. So we got the right answer. What I have done, how I could get the answer within 2 steps, very simple logic. Please write down. When I have a number, let us say a, and I have to find the square of it. How can I write it? I can write it as a square minus b square plus b square, because b square cancel, right? But a square minus b square, how can I write it? I can write it as a minus b into a plus b, right? So plus b square will continue. Okay. Here I am just splitting my complex number into product of simple numbers whose multiplication is easy. So what I have done here, let us try to understand. So my formula is a square is equals to a minus b into a plus b square, right? So for example, if I have 112, the nearest simple digit whose multiplication is very easy is 100, right? So I am taking a is equals to 112 and b is 12. So what is happening? A minus 12, it will give me 100, and a plus 12, which is 112 plus 12, will give me 124. Plus, what was my b value which I was subtracting? I was subtracting 12, right? Or I was adding 12, right? So 12 square. So this is my answer. Okay. So 12400 plus 144, that is 12544. This was my answer. Now let us quickly try one example so that you will be perfect. 19.5 square. See, little bit complex, right? 19.5 square. देखते ही लोग डर जाएंगे. But very simple thing. See, I would just write 19 into 20 plus 0.5 square. As simple as that. How I write? Because I have taken b as 0.5. So what I got? 19.5 minus 0.5 into 19.5 plus 0.5. See, you need not write this step always, right? So once you got that, experience of solving. If you do 2-3 examples, more than enough, you will be quick like me. So whenever you see a number like 19.5 square, you will be writing as 19 into 20 plus the difference of the number which you have done, right? It was 0.5, so 0.5 ka square, as simple as that. 19 into 2, it is 38, so 0 tha, 0 aa gaya. So plus 0.5 ka square, 0.5 square is 0.25, so my answer is 380.25. End of answer. So let us cross check. 19.5 square, it is 380.25. see how fast it is. Okay, now you are perfect, right? So if you want, you can solve one more question so that you will be more than perfect. Let us say 87. You can do it for 2-digit number also. You can cross multiply, that's easy, right? So if you want to do it, more than welcome. So you can write it as 84 into 90. What I have done, I have written it as 87 minus 3 and 87 plus 3, because 87 plus 3 will give me 90, right? So it will be easy for me to calculate. And plus, what is the number which I have subtracted? 87 minus 3 into 87 plus 3, right? So it was the number 3 with which I am playing. So 3 squares. So as simple as that. 84 into 90. 9 4s are 36. 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 3 is 75. There was 0. So 7560 is multiplication of this number plus 3 squares. 3 squares are 9. So my answer is 7569. You want to cross check? Cross check. 87 square. 7569. कितना easy है ना? So how hard the calculation might be. If you have 13.5, 101, 190, it doesn't matter. Any number, any 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, you can easily use this formula, because this is not some random formula. We are going as per the formula itself, mathematical formula. So whatever number you are taking, it should accept this law. Okay. Now I hope you are perfect. Let us move on to cubes. Let us quickly erase this and move on to cubes. If you want to find the cube of any number, see, obviously no one can instantly say what is the cube of 43. I can modify it a little bit. Okay, I can write it as 40 plus 3, right? Now I have some hope, because I know what is cube of 3, right? So cube of 3 is 27. And what is cube of 40? अरे यार 40 cube तो काफी आसान है. See, 40 cube is nothing but 4 cube into 10 cube, right? Because a into b whole to the power of n, what is it? It is nothing but a to the power of n into b to the power of n, right? सब लोग जानते हैं formula. So I am using the same formula. So 40 is nothing but 4 into 10. So I am writing it as 4 cube into 10 cube. So I know what is this answer. 4 cube is nothing but 4 into 4, 16, 16 into 4, 64, 64 into 1000 is 64,000. So I can write this in the form of a plus b whole cube. See, I will tell you shortcut later on. So this is the original method, and then I will teach you shortcut. Okay. So in this method, what I am writing, I know a plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, right? So here you have to substitute this. A is 40, b is 3. So 40 cube plus 3 into 40 square into 3 plus 3 into 40 into 3 square plus 3 cube. So obviously it is going to take lot of time, because ये सब आपको लिखना है फिर add करना है, right? So you have to add this number. So much headache is there. Or else I have one simple method. Okay, I have one simple method. Whenever I want to find a cube of a number, what I am going to do is I am directly going to take the first number as a, second number as b. Okay, same formula मैं dump करूँगा but little bit different. So what is it? So a cube, I instead of plus I am writing a slash. Okay, so 3a square b slash 3ab square slash b cube. Okay, so this is my answer. So how I am going to write? Let us try to understand. Here it will be 4 cube, 3 into 4 square into 3, 3 into 4 into 3 square, and here it is 3 cube. So what is your answer? Let us write it here. So 4 cube is 64, right? Slash 3 into 4 square. See, 4 square is 16, 16 3s are 48, 48 into 3, it should be 144. It should be 144. And 3 into 4, 12, 12 into 3 squares are 9, 12 9s are 108. So, and here 3 cube you know 27. Okay, so this is my answer. How to write down? Let us write this slash small so that it will be easy for you to understand. See, obviously whatever number is there, we will write unit place. So unit place is 7, so 7 will come. So whatever extra is there, it will shift to the next number. So 2 is here. Add 108 plus 102, you will be getting 110, right? So unit place 0, so 0 will come here. So whatever was there left 11, so it will be carried to this number. Now it will be 144 plus 11, which is 155. So unit place 5 will come here. 15 will be carried on to here. 64 plus 15 is 79. This is my answer. 43 cube is 79507. You don't believe me? Let us check. 43 cube 79507. Okay, perfect. समझिए ना कॉन्सेप्ट. एक और एग्जाम्पल करेंगे तो परफेक्ट हो जाओगे. ओके, सो लेट अस सॉल्व वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. हियर you will be more than perfect. Let us do cube of 112. Okay, 112 का cube. Or let us say in examination you got 1.2 and you have to find cube. It is one and the same, right? So first you can find the cube and then you can insert point after 3 digit, as simple as that. Okay, so 112 का cube. So how to write it? I can write it as, this is my A, 11 will be my A and B will be my 2. Okay, so now it is very simple. A cube 3A square B 3A B square B cube. So here A cube is nothing but 11 cube, right? 11 cube 3A square B, 3 into A square B, which will be 11 square into 2, 3 into 11 into 2 cube, sorry 2 square into 2 cube. Okay, so 11 cubes 1331. I told you to remember at least up to 20 digits, right? Cubes, so that it will be easy for you, or at least remember up to 11 digits. Okay, more than enough. So 1331 into, this is 11 squares are 121, 121 into 2, 121 into 2 will be 242, 242 into 3, so 6 12 7 726, 726. And now 3 into 11, 33, 33 into 4, 33 into 4, 33 into 2 is 66, 66 into 2 is 132. So 132 and 2 cube is 8. Okay, what you have to do? Unit place, carry, direct, there is nothing to carry, right? So what is the unit place? 2. Now 13, it will be carried. Sum is 739, right? So unit place is 9, 73 will be shifted here, 73. So 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 plus 10, 3 plus 7 is 10, 3 plus 1 is 4, and whatever is there 1. Okay, so carry all these steps. Okay, not unit place, it is the last step, right? So we will be writing all the steps. So my 112 cube is nothing but 1404928. So let us cross check 112 cube. So 1404928. So this is my right answer. As simple as that. Perfect ho gaya na? So practice 2 or 3 different questions, you will be more than perfect. Let me erase and then we will go to power 5 by 4 and 3 by 4 etc. When you see powers like 5 by 4, 3 by 4, 2 by 3, you lose your confidence. Most of the people, they will stop solving this question and move on to the next question. They might be knowing the formula, but they don't want to invest time here because these calculations are really difficult if you don't know the shortcuts. Okay, so after solving a lot of questions for ESC and GATE, I realized if you remember these values, these 4 very important values, root 2, root 3, root 5, root 10, you will be able to solve all the ESC questions. Okay, so all the complex ESC questions you can solve using these 4 values. Root 2 is 1.414, root 3 is 1.732, root 5 is 2.236, root 10 is 3.16. Please do remember. Even if you don't remember, if you forget, it doesn't matter. You can obviously do in exam, right? So 10 is 9 plus 1, so x, this is y, so I get root x plus y by 2 root x, right? This is my formula. So 3 plus 1 by 2 into 3. So 3 plus 1 by 6 is nothing but 0.16, so 3.16. So obviously you can get it, but it will take some time, right? Why to waste the 10 or 15 seconds? Directly remember, yaar. So root 2 is 1.414, root 3 is 1.732, root 5 is 2.236, root 10 is 3.16. Now comes the very important matter. Let us solve a question directly and try to see how I can reduce this 5 by 4 and 3 by 4. So let us start with 25 to the power of 5 by 4 as it was given in this question. Okay, if you are able to solve, definitely 2 marks in your ESC exam. So how to get it? Very simple. Whenever you see a number like this, let us try to resolve it into simple form. When I see 5 by 4, can I write it as 1.25? Okay, I can write 1.25 as 25 to the power of 1 plus 0.25. Agreed. Whenever I have a number a to the power of m plus n, what is the formula? A to the power of m into a to the power of n. Agreed. So similarly, what will be 25 to the power of 1 plus 0.25? That is nothing but 25 to the power of 1 into 25 to the power of 0.25. 25 to the power of 0.25 is nothing but 25 to the power of 1 by 4. Okay, I hope you are getting the answer right. I hope many of you already got the point what I am trying to convey. So 25 fourth root of 25. Fourth root of 25. See, I can write it as 25 root 5, right, directly. Or if you want to do, you can do one more step, because 25 is nothing but 5 square. So 5 square to the power of 1 by 4 is nothing but 5 to the power of 1 by 2. So that is root 5. So 25 root 5, as simple as that. So 25 into root 5. Root 5 ka value kitna? 2.236. Let us try to solve. See, you don't have calculator. You don't have calculator. You have to solve by hand. So let us try to solve 25 into 2.236. 25 6 I think it is 150, right? So 25 3s are 75. 75 plus 15 is 90. 25 2s are 50. 50 plus 9 is 59, obviously. 25 into 2 50. 50 plus 5 is 55. So after 3 digit we have points. So after 3 digit we are getting a point. 55.9 is my answer. So 25 to the power of 5 by 4 is nothing but 55.9. Let us cross check. 25 to the power of 5 divided by 4. What am I getting? 55.90. See the magic, 59.90. Okay, I hope you're perfect in this, right? I hope you won't be depressed when you see questions. Now let us do the same thing, 25, but for 3 to the power of 4. Same logic I will be using, 25 to the power of 1 minus 0.25, right? Because it is nothing but 0.75. 3 by 4 is 0.75. I can write it as 1 minus 0.25. Agreed? So this is nothing but 25 by fourth root of 25, because a to the power of m minus n is equals to a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. As simple as that. So fourth root of 25. So here I am getting again 25. Fourth root of 25 is equals to root 5. Agreed? Because this is 5 into 5, right, or 5 square. So I can take the square root and I am writing it as 25 by root 5. See, always when you have root 5 in the denominator or root of any value in denominator, it gets very difficult to solve. Okay, it gets very difficult to solve, because root 5 is 2.236. Dividing by such a number is really hectic. So what I can do is, there are two things. You can write 25 as 5 into 5 divided by root 5. Root 5, this cancel and you will be getting 5 root 5 as your answer. Or if you want to do one more step, you can multiply and divide by root 5, right? So again you will be getting the same, 25 root 5 by 5. So cancel, you will be getting 5 root 5. It is up to you. If you can factorize, if you can see the number factorize, then you can factorize. If you can't see the number, then what you have to do is, for example, you have some like odd number, let us say 11, okay, and root 5 नीचे है, तो आपको क्या करना है? always convert it like this, root 5. So what you will be getting? 11 root 5 by 5. This is much easier to calculate compared to 11 by root 5. Okay, because you know what is root 5 value. So multiplication is very easy compared to division. So you will be getting very quick answer when you are doing like that. Now let us continue with this question. I know my answer is what is it? 25 root 5 by 5, which is nothing but 5 root 5. See, what is 5 root 5? 5 into 2.236. Let us quickly do it. 6 5s are 30, 6 3s are 15, 15 plus 3 is 18, 6 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. So after 3 digit we have point, so after 3 digit we should get a point, 11.18. So let us cross check. 25 to the power 3 by 4. Sorry, let us, how to cancel it? Just 25 to the power 3 divided by 4. So see the magic, 11.18. So 11.18 is our answer. So I hope you can do it, right? So you can easily solve such questions. For example, 100 to the power of 3 by 4. It is very simple. It is nothing but 100 divided by 4th root of 100. Okay, as simple as that, right? Kaise aaya? 100 1 minus 0.25, right? So 100 by 4th root of 100. So 100 by 4th root of 100 is nothing but square root of 10, right? Because this is nothing but 10 square. So square, this one cancel and you will be getting square root of 10. So 100 you can write it as 10 into 10 by root 10. So this one cancel, this cancel. So 10 root 10. Root 10 value kitna? I told you to remember, right? 4 values, root 2, root 3, root 5 and root 10. So root 10 value was nothing but 3.16. So your answer for 100 to the power of 3 by 4 is 31.6. See the magic now? 100 to the power of 3 by 4. 100 to the power of 3 divided by 4. 31.6. See, in that time when no one is trying to solve this question, you are going to solve these ESE questions now and going to get 2 marks. more compared to all other students who haven't watched this video. Agreed or not? Okay, so have a nice day. I hope you clear your ESE exam this year. All the best. If you like this video, do subscribe to this channel. If you have some problem with civil subjects, you can take my package. I teach all the civil subjects at Target IAS. Have a nice day. See you in our next subject.